Gondor bread production line. Efficient and automated production. 304 stainless steel. Meet food grade standards. Customized PLC programming language. Press the dough evenly. Ensure consistent dough texture. Repeatedly flatten and shape dough. Make the dough have uniform thickness. Roll dough into suitable shape. Evenly distribute the fillings. Cut the food into even pieces. Quickly and evenly complete the pinching. Arrange food neatly on trays. Improve production efficiency. Adapt to multiple specifications of products. High production efficiency. Display of finished products. Wide range of applications. Client gallery. What our customers say.
Eh bien les amis, qu'est-ce que vous avez dit? Bien, ou bien que j'enlève les sachets, vous allez voir.